As we speak, I need to get this clear. Kennedy Akompra kwa Agyapong. Alan Kyerematen had the call saying, I mean, that's all back, Kumasi. Virtually about 70% of the cassette was about talking good about Alan and helping protecting him. Had there more dreams? Whatever happens, there's some doing alliance.
Not at all. Not at all.
Intimate massive be Japan, Alan.
No, we equally speak good about the vice president.
Okay.
Akumpra kuwe any pam you know the omona ye jumache for making wrong or transit to the vice president.
Yeah.
Onye obia I say ye can Alan who he was saying say a nearby ye di tia Alan no and yet the party no and city up. Party ni yen hwe ni yie. Party ni me anka say o we de okwa onko. Okwa onko no your friend say formina
lawyer.
Yes onko. Emre through say po biama all he's trying to say is asem sia. If you ain't trying and rushing and resolve and sana get it out of hand. So those are the comments. Those are the signals he was giving to, but it doesn't mean say you right, Kyerematen. Fair say no.
Conspiracy theories be a making is more person would G party no from suppose a chim mafia and semna Sante type mufamu party as a Kennedy Japan Alan namo kabum na move party no to a different level. Is that the case? As a de facto chief of staff, Kennedy.
No. Obi catch you say ye Alan for dreams ye be party free and I have always told you say you believe in tribalism. Yes, so you believe in tribalism. In the engase a chimfo aye and ye go na busam catch you say you bet me yinipo obedi ya bedi achire no from anywhere.
Okay.
We are not the type of and then go for North Namra and then go for West Namra who qualify. The option for us is not to choose a vice president based on his religion or based on his ethnicity. It to be the person who bet me aye ejuma abua amagana afane tumapa akona name. The ye ni obia and your conspiracy say ye kwaje party e free achimsem but ye pesi ye party no e si ho. The party no it's not for us and the for I come for na saji di any as you come together. Just imagine the establishment, everybody going around going to me man all regions everybody is doing this now as a Kennedy next
time election
oh of course I'll put my life on that. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, of course.
You will not let me retain the seat as a regional chairman.
I'm saying I'll do my part, not for him to go.
Hey.
I did my part at John Bodu, and it worked.
Oh,
I was an architect. I wanted him out because he was not performing. Most of the chairman want to be. They are just talking.
They're
embarrassing. Yes, at all. I'm not saying as a person. I don't want to see people who are not performing. They just keep on talking. The arrogance. And near my there are some here to about Ghana and your programs. And did ye near Danny near my Ekikambosono. And Nipa etiho air.
Example, Kennedy Japan chief of staff, you can just know.